Hello everyone, welcome back to another SQL tutorial. In this lesson, we will talk about the insert into statement. This is used to add new records to a table in a database. Let's get started. The insert into statement is used to insert new rows of data into a table. You must specify the table name, the columns, and the values you want to add. Insert into table name, column 1, column 2, values, value 1, value 2, and so on. Demonstration using the Northwind database. Insert into customers, customer name, contact name, country, values, new customer, Anna Smith, USA. This will add a new customer name, Anna Smith, from the USA to the customers table. Insert into products, product name, supplier ID, category ID, unit, price, values, green tea, 1 and 2, 10 boxes times 20 bags, and 25. This will insert a new product called green tea with its supplier, category, unit, and price information. The insert into statement is essential for adding new data to a table. It's important to make sure the values match the correct column types. In the next lesson, we will talk about null values in SQL and how they affect your data. See you there.